Artificial intelligence has emerged as a powerful tool in decoding animal languages. Researchers are leveraging AI techniques to analyze and intercept the vocalizations and behaviors of different animal species. The ultimate goal of using AI to communicate with animals is to develop translation systems that can bridge the language barrier between species. Hello everybody, welcome to FameWorldEducationalHub. I am Aishwarya Saxena and today I am here with a very interesting topic, that is how artificial intelligence is helping us to talk to animals. Decoding animal languages. Animals process intricate communication systems, each unique to their species. These languages incorporate a wide range of vocalizations, body movements, and gestures that convey information about their environment, social interactions, and emotional states. However, deciphering these languages has proven to be immensely challenging task for scientists. Artificial intelligence, with its ability to process vast amount of data and recognize patterns, has emerged as a powerful tool in decoding animal languages. Researchers are leveraging AI techniques such as machine learning and deep learning to analyze and intercept the vocalization and behavior of different animal species. Machine learning and acoustic analysis. One of the primary approaches in animal communication research involves using machine learning algorithms to analyze the acoustic patterns in animal vocalization. By feeding large amount of recorded animal sounds into AI models, scientists can train the algorithms to recognize distinct vocalizations associated with species-specific meanings or contexts. For example, researchers have successfully used artificial intelligence to analyze the songs of birds, identifying patterns and correlations between vocalizations and behaviors such as mating rituals or territorial defense. AI algorithms have also been employed to distinguish between different dolphin vocalizations, helping scientists to understand their complex social structures and communication systems. Gesture and behavior recognition. Apart from vocalization, animals often communicate through body movements, postures, and gestures. AI-powered computer vision systems are being developed to recognize and interpret these non-verbal signals, further enhancing our understanding of animal communication. By training AI models on vast databases of animal behavior videos, researchers can identify and classify specific movements and gestures associated with different messages. This approach has been used to decipher the intricate dance-like displays of courtship rituals in various species, such as peacocks or birds of paradise. Building translation systems. The ultimate goal of using artificial intelligence to communicate with animals is to develop translation systems that can bridge the language barrier between species. While we may not yet be able to hold a conversation with animals in the same way we communicate with humans, AI is helping us to make strides in understanding and interpreting their languages. Scientists are working on creating AI systems that can analyze animals' vocalizations or behaviors in real time and provide meaningful interpretations or translations. These systems combine audio and visual sensors with advanced AI algorithms, enabling researchers to interact with animals more effectively and gain insights into their thoughts, emotions, and needs. Implications and ethical considerations. The ability to communicate with animals has profound implications for various fields, including conversation, veterinary medicine, and animal behavior research. AI-powered translation system could facilitate wildlife conservation efforts by enabling humans to understand and respond to the needs and concerns of endangered species even. In veterinary medicine, such technology could aid in diagnosing and treating animals by allowing them to convey their symptoms or discomfort more effectively. However, the development and use of AI for animal communications also raise ethical considerations. It is crucial to ensure that such technology is used responsibly, respecting the well-being and privacy of animals. Ethical frameworks and guidelines should be established to govern the use of AI in animal communication research and its potential applications. Artificial intelligence is proving to be a game changer in our cost of understanding and communication with animals. By harnessing the power of machine learning and computer vision, scientists are unrevealing the mysteries of animal communication. I hope you have enjoyed this video and drop your comments with opinions. Share this informative video with your friends, and if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for more such informative videos.